Hello, this is Marvin Megamind, CEO Mega Elite. Today I'm releasing a world's first free tutorial on how to repair Nokia Lumia Imei. This is the first world's free, I repeat, free tutorial on how to repair Nokia Lumia Imei. So get ready for the ride. Ready. Now we are starting the process of repairing this Nokia Lumia Nokia 5.1 Imei. That's the Nokia. Now as you can see, you have to first switch off the phone. After switching off the phone, we are going to open this Meta MEI program. You choose smartphone, then you press connect. After pressing connect, when your phone is off, you connect the USB cable. Like you see in the video, you connect the USB cable when the phone is off. Wait. Then after connecting the USB cable, as you can see, the boot process begins. That process forces the phone to boot into meta mode. As you can see, the whole process connecting reading software info, connecting AP until the whole process completes up. Then you can see here the phone is connected in meta mode. Then you have to load the database. That where I'm pointing, you can either load from target or from file, but for the case of this tutorial, we load from target. As you can see, database has been successfully loaded. So after loading the database successfully, then you go to search tool and you search for Imei download. Look for Imei download. After choosing Imei download, you read. So those are the original Imei of this Nokia Lumia we are using for the testing. Remember, this is for education purposes only. Don't try to change your Imei. Always repair with the original Imei. So that is my original Imei. This is, like I told you, for educational purposes. Let me copy my original Imei to somewhere else for reference, so that after showing you this tutorial, I will put them back. So that is the backup of my Imei. And the second one, those are my original Imei. Now let me try to write something else. I'll try to use 9999 and 8888 for this example to show you how this works. NCK failed, Miracle failed, but this tool does it. As you can see, Imei has been successfully downloaded to the target. So I'm going to read for SIM1, and as you can see, SIM1 has already been repaired. Change it to something else. Then let me change sim2 to 8888. Then write. As you can see, target also for sim2 has been successfully repaired. When I read, that's what you see in the system. If you read other than my original IMEI, so it has changed to something else. Now after this tutorial, I'll put back my original IMEI so that I don't get in trouble. So after you disconnect, after you have put in your original IMEI, you disconnect. The phone will be disconnected to meta mode. The phone will be switched off. Then after, you have to switch it on manually. And after switching it on, I'm going to use NCK box to boot this phone into meta mode. Then we check for the new IMEI, which will be written other than our original for confirmation. Now let me get my NCK box here. I show you. I have to boot this phone using another box. We try to read info in meta mode to see whether what we have written there has actually been saved. Let me launch. NCK has been launched. Then I go to meta info. Then switch off my phone again. I'm going to switch off this phone. As you can see, I have checked. They are actually there. They are there. What I've written there, it's there. Now let me confirm from NCK whether it will also see the same thing. As you can see, NCK has booted the phone into meta mode. Bing, as you can see, that's what we've written there, the 999 and 888. So it actually has been saved, and even if you reset the phone, you will not lose that IMEI, which means this method is genuine for repairing IMEI. Remember, this is for educational purposes, and those are not real serial numbers, so remember to always repair with your original IMEI. Thanks for watching. I think you have confirmed that. Like my video and subscribe to my channel for more cool stuffs and those which are not anywhere on YouTube.